So I bought this beautiful vintage Mahogany Drexel brand buffet table. The previous owner decided to cut off the claw legs. So I have one claw that the previous owner decided to save, and I am going to try to remake it try to remake the ones that are missing with the amazing casting resin and the amazing rubber mold. Hope it works. First, I will be using the amazing mold rubber. It comes in two parts, the base and the activator, which is this small pink bottle. I have two jars, one marked so that I know how much I'll be using, and the other one is my box mold, where I will put the claw leg inside and pour the rubber resin. So I'm going to take my base and I'm going to pour it into my measured jar. I had then realized that I did not need a jar that was marked, because I was going to use the entire base and the activator. So now I'm going to add the activator, all of it, and then I am going to mix it in until it's a nice light pink color. Mix, mix, mix. Now I'm going to pour it into my other jar where I have the claw. So I had to keep pushing it down so that the wood claw would stay in, because it would rise to the surface. So as you can see, the claw keeps rising up to the surface. So I found this beautiful, round, perfect ball in the cape, and it worked. So I waited about 2.5 hours, and when I came back, it was solid. One suggestion: do not put the resin or whatever you're going to make in a deep jar or deep vase, because it's very hard to take out, as you can see. So now I'm going to remove the claw out of the molding, out of the rubber molding. Yay, finally it's out. As you can see, you can notice all the detail that the claw actually had in the molding, which is beautiful. Yay! I'm so happy. So now I'm going to use the resin, the casting resin. So the casting resin is two parts, A and B. One is yellow, the other one is clear. So I had to use about double the amount. So I used another cup to add the resins in there, and then mix them in. Mix, 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 mix. And then I poured it into the rubber mold. So now the resin is hard as a rock. So now I'm going to remove it out of the rubber mold. Wow, look at this. It's perfect. It looks just like the wood piece. Every single detail. Wow. Even the line that's right across, that goes across the wood piece, you can even notice it on the resin, which is incredible. I'm so in love with this product because there's so much that you can do with this. So there you have it. Now I have the 3 pieces that I needed. The amazing cast resin, it's definitely amazing. Okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped. Please stay tuned so that you can see the transformation of the table. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.